Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to spend Nectar points at Sainsbury's self-checkout. So let's follow this step-by-step guide. So step 1, we need to start the self-checkout. So touch start on the self-checkout screen and then choose scan your items if prompted. Step 2, scan your shopping, scan each item barcode, place each item in the bagging area when instructed, and then resolve any bugging warning if they appear. Step 3. Add your Nectar card. You must link your Nectar account before you can spend points. On the screen, look for Scan Nectar card or Add Nectar, usually shown near the button or side of the screen. Scan your Nectar card barcode or scan the barcode from the Nectar app. Wait for on-screen confirmation. A Nectar logo appears or a message Nectar card accepted. If you don't scan Nectar now, you will still be offered the option on the payment screen, but scanning earlier avoids problems. Step 4. Finish scanning. Tap Finish and Pay. Step 5. Choose to spend Nectar points. On the payment screen, look for the button Spend Nectar points or Use Nectar points. Tap it. The screen now will show your available points and their cash value. Step 6. Select how many points to use. We'll usually see spend all available points or preset options such as £2.5, £5, £10. Tap the amount you want. Tap confirm. The total updates immediately showing points redeemed. New amount left to pay. Step 7. Pay the remaining balance. Choose your payment method. Contactless card, chip and PIN, cash if that machine accepts cash. Complete payment. Step 8. Take your receipt. Your receipt will show Nectar points redeemed, the pound value deducted. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.